Hi, this is your one and only favorite herbalist, Q Green. And since I'm out here grounding myself, just thought I'd do my herb for today. So this particular herb is going to be valerian. It's valerian root, which is also the tea I'm drinking this morning. Now, I'm going to tell you, this tea, I don't like the smell. The smell, it doesn't smell too pleasant, but this is very effective for insomnia, epilepsy, lower back pain, hypochondria, depression, sciatica nerve damage, anxiety, headaches, nervous disorders, migraines, personality disorders, ADHD, brain disorders, colic, cramps, deep vein thrombosis, high blood pressure, hoarseness, indigestion, jet lag, bowel disorders, IBS, inflammatory bowel disorders, multiple sclerosis or MS, muscle spasms, muscle cramps, obsessive compulsive disorders, oral herpes, postpartum depression, premenstrual disorders, respiratory diseases, sarcoidosis, restlessness, skin rashes, sore throat, UTIs, hip pains, tremors, stomach problems, narcolepsy, bed sores. This is very effective for a whole lot. This is a sedative, it's an antidepressant, it is a relaxant, it's antibacterial, it's anti-anxiety, it's anti-diuretic, it's anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiseptic, antiviral, it's an aphrodisiac, it's a decongestant, it's a relaxant, it's a nervine, it's circulatory, it's a cardiotonic for the heart, it's a brain enhancer, it's calming, it's an expectorant, it's therapeutic. Now it has alkaloids in it, it has beta carotene, it has calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, vitamin B2, B12, B3, vitamin C, and also zinc. Now with this you must be very, very aware. Do not, like I said, if you don't know nothing about herbs, do not just up and do this yourself, because you can overdose. You can easily overdose on valerian. So if you do not know about dosages and amounts, then you need not to mess with it, because like I said, you can easily overdose off of this because of the potency of this actual herb. Now beware, because if you, let's say you do take this and then you just suddenly stop, that's not good either. You have to wean yourself off of this, just like how you would need to wean yourself on this. This is no joke. This is not for amateurs. So I do not recommend anyone who is not really into herbs like that to try this unless it's someone else helping you or doing it for you. I do not recommend this, literally. If you suddenly just decide to stop doing this, you can get sudden bad migraines, you can have insomnia, you can have rapid heartbeats. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, then do not mess with it, because it's not a joke. This is an actual narcotic. So, and it's very, and like I said, it's therapeutic. So by it being therapeutic, it's a healing herb, a real healing herb. The valerian is a powerful nervine and a stimulant. It stimulates the liver. The root induces brain abilities, and it's effective for those with insomnia and neurological disorders. Consumption of the valerian root is beneficial for people with mood swings and hyperactivity, ADHD, and anxiety. It's a sedative in nature, so it relaxes the nerves and the pains that you may be having. It relaxes the central nervous system as well, which is why it's really good for people that have sciatic nerve damage, because that's a nerve that comes like all the way up your neck, and like it could go all the way down to the bottom of your calf, and it's a pain that is very hard to get to. So yes, this does help that. It's good for muscle and joint pain. It lowers the blood pressure and improves the heart health. It's effective for menstrual cramps, abdominal cramps, and uterine cramps. If you decide to use it for menstrual cramps and uterine cramps, then you will want to apply it on the skin. Now, this does help prevent depression, and stress. It works against pain, used against inflammation, and yes, this actually is working. And I just started drinking this, like, literally. I just started drinking it, and I'm starting to feel it. Literally, I'm starting to feel it. Now, this is used in surgery because this will cause you to lose, like, okay, so how can I put this? This basically will numb your body of the pain. So it will relieve you of feeling that pain that you will be feeling during surgery. So, yes. This expels mucus from your respiratory system. Valerian increases the secretion of mucus and then it expels it out, and it tones up your respiratory system. So it helps your poor blood circulation and increases your blood flow. And also it increases the mother's flow of milk. So for lactating mothers, yes, it will help you as well. Like I said, I highly do. I like valerian, but very, very rarely would I take valerian. I'm drinking valerian today because this is my herb, but when I did try it previously, I couldn't even do the work that I was trying to do because of the valerian. So, yes, like I said, if you are not aware or not sure about herbs, then I do not recommend you just up and try, unless you do pills, unless they have them in capsules. I don't know if they have them in capsules. If they do, check the vitamin shops or the Whole Food stores. Then yes, then I would say yes, then you can try it then. But other than that, I don't recommend it. I do not recommend it because when I tell you this is very easy to overdose, I literally overdosed myself and I had to remove it. So that's why I'm literally pushing it for people not to do it if you don't know what you're doing. But this is a very beneficial herb. So if you are questioning or thinking about it, then if you do have a doctor, talk to your doctor about it, because your doctor knows what you're going through or your situations or anything. But anybody natural, then you can probably buy this at the stores. You can get capsules, whatever the case, and I would say start off with 2 at a time. Do not exceed it. Do not exceed it. You could do maybe 1 a day or something like that, but don't keep continually up in the dose when you feel like, oh, this is that, because I'm telling you, you'll regret it. You're not gonna like the side effects from it, so don't do it. Rather do trial and error and be safe. This is Q Green. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.